how to use Amazon Associates SiteStripe. So once you go to Amazon.com, you should see this tab on top which says Amazon Associates SiteStripe. That is if you have an Amazon Associates account. So if you don't have, just open a new tab and search for Amazon Associates. Then you should see this Amazon.com Associates Central. So just click this link and it will direct you to this page. So if you don't have an account, then go ahead and click this button which says sign up and create your account. But if you already have an account, then go ahead and sign in. Now once you've created your account or once you've logged into your account, go back to Amazon.com. So you should take note that you can only promote products that are found on Amazon. Say for example, you want to promote Christmas decorations. So just copy and paste this to any of your website to promote this page. So any products that you sell using this link within 24 hours, you can get a commission. But if you want to promote a single product, so just click on that product that you want to promote. So say for example, you want to promote this product. So just click on it and then you can get its link for the text, image, and text plus image using the link provided. So just paste this link to any of your websites or social media accounts to promote this product. And so that is how you use Amazon Associates SiteStripe. Thank you and have a great day.